What's up, everyone? It's Randy from Lee's Garage, and today we're here to take a look at a potential project for my son Ryan, and that project is right here. It's a 1965 Nova Hardtop. Let's look at no post, baby, no post. Anyhow, this car has been in my wife's family for I think about 20 plus years. Her dad had it, gave it to her. She wanted a Fox Body Mustang instead, so he traded it off to her uncle, and it's been sitting here for, I don't know, 15 years or so, hasn't ran. So we're gonna take a look at it today, see if it's something that we're potentially interested in, and see if it's a project that can be added to the channel. So overall, this car, I remember when it was freshly painted, and it looked like the bodywork on this car was done in a manner that I personally wouldn't be happy with. Like they skim coated it and DA'd it and sprayed it, so there's a lot of waves and stuff. But looking up under this car, the chassis under here looks really good. It's all original. This was a 6-cylinder car. The interior was redone at some point. Those seats aren't for this, but the dash looks all original, like it's never been cut. Overall, the body, we'd have to sandblast it and really dig into it, but there is some rust in some common areas. Looks like here, that might be like Bondo or old paint work bubbling up. See all the old paint bubbling up on the deck lid. And then I noticed there's some rust right here, and there's like a little lump right here. But overall, so what had happened, her dad had purchased this car with a 6-cylinder, my wife's dad, and had it painted and drove it for a while. And then he bought a 327 and a Powerglide for it. Let me open this up. He put the 327 in it, said it ran really well, but he never put a drive shaft in it. So it came to this parking space right here, and it's been sitting for about 20 years now here. 15 years, I'd say about 15. What do you think, Brad? You want it?
Yeah.
What would be your plans initially for this thing?
Paint it black.
Paint it black? What else? Anything else?
Maybe put an LS and a turbo on it.
Keep it auto or put a stick in it?
Stick. 60.
I think that's gonna wrap this video. We actually made a deal on this thing already, and we'll be bringing it home, but we got to get some other stuff like sorted out and taken care of first. So it might be a few months, but stay tuned here if you want to see this 65 Nova come to life.